If you're renting out your home or investment property on Airbnb or Vrbo, you need more than just a standard homeowner's policy. Short-term rental insurance is your financial safety net, protecting you from damages, liability claims, and lost rental income. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right coverage? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about short-term rental insurance so you can host with confidence. Let's dive in. There is no insurance policy that is specific to short-term rentals or vacation rentals. Short-term rental insurance is specialized coverage designed to safeguard property owners against unique risks associated with renting their homes or spaces temporarily. The standardized insurance market has yet to create a specific policy, which is why specialty companies like Proper Insurance exist to create custom insurance contracts in this space. Usually, short-term rental insurance is made up of homeowners, landlord, or commercial policy with specific enhancements to provide coverage to short-term rentals. Sometimes the policy is a combination of all three. Coverage under a short-term rental policy can encompass a range of potential issues, from property damage caused by guests to liability concerns arising from short-term occupancy. Many hosts underestimate the risks of short-term rentals. Insuring your property helps protect you in several ways. Comprehensive risk protection. Short-term rental guests come and go frequently, which increases the risk of damage, theft, and liability claims. Financial safeguard. Protects your investments and provides rental income replacement if a covered event shuts down your business. Protection against unforeseen events. Accidents happen. Insurance on your short-term rental can cover everything from accidental damage to legal fees from guest-related claims. Preserved rental income. Interruptions in rental income due to covered events can impact property owners significantly. Short-term rental insurance can help preserve income by covering losses during such disruptions. Adaptation to market changes. The short-term rental landscape is ever-changing. Some policies offer flexible terms to accommodate seasonal or fluctuating rental demand. So what can insurance actually cover for your short-term rental? Here's a breakdown of the most common coverage. Property damage. Covers fire, vandalism, storms, and more. Liability protection. If a guest gets injured, your policy covers medical expenses and legal fees. Personal belongings. Furniture, appliances, and decor are often covered. Loss of rental income. If your property is uninhabitable due to a covered event, you're compensated for lost income. Guest relocation costs. If a guest has moved due to property damage, some policies cover their temporary stay. Legal cost. Covers lawsuits and settlements related to guest claims. Just as important as knowing what is covered is understanding what's not covered. Most short-term rental policies won't cover the following. Wear and tear. Routine maintenance and upkeep are your responsibility. Intentional damage. Damage caused deliberately by the host or guest typically isn't covered. Business exclusions. Some policies exclude short-term rental operations unless specifically endorsed. Natural disasters. Coverage for floods, earthquakes, or wildfires may require a separate policy. Pest or rodent damage. Issues like termites or rats aren't covered under standard policies. Not all insurance policies are created equal. Luckily, it's fairly easy to understand your options. There are three main types of short-term rental insurance policies. Homeowners insurance with a short-term rental endorsement. Best suited for those renting a portion of their primary residence, like a spare bedroom or basement. This option usually includes restrictions on how many days you can rent and how much you can earn. It offers limited coverage for guest damage and loss of rent. Landlord insurance with short-term rental endorsement. Common among hosts with properties they don't live in, it offers basic property and liability coverage but has gaps, like limited protection against guest damage or income loss. Rent loss coverage is often based on long-term rental markets, not short-term market rates. Commercial insurance. the most comprehensive and flexible option designed to fully cover short-term rental business activities. While it comes at a higher premium, it typically includes broader liabilities, fewer exclusions, and can be tailored to your property's unique needs. Some bonus coverages are an umbrella insurance, which may extend liability limits but only covers what your underlying policies already do, and other specialized coverage. Depending on your location and risks, you may need flood, earthquake, or bed and breakfast insurance. Airbnb and Vrbo's insurance programs offer some protection for bookings that you receive through their platforms. These guarantees don't apply to direct bookings and shouldn't be your sole source of insurance coverage. View them as an additional safety net in addition to your own insurance. Let's explore the specifics. Airbnb hosts liability insurance. This covers up to $1 million in liability claims. This coverage kicks in if a guest files a claim against the host for bodily injury or property damage during their stay. Airbnb hosts damage protection. With coverage extending up to $1 million, this protection is automatically provided to all hosts at no additional cost and focuses on safeguarding hosts against damages to their property caused by guests. Vrbo liability insurance. This $1 million primary liability coverage shields hosts from potential claims related to bodily injury or property damage. Because of the unique needs of short-term rentals, several companies specializing in short-term rental insurance have emerged. Here are some of the top providers. Proper Insurance. This insurer offers substantial coverage limits against property damage and liability. Hosts opting for Proper Insurance can benefit from a policy designed to meet the dynamic needs of a short-term rental market. CBIZ. They have a focus on tailored insurance solutions. CBIZ provides short-term rental property owners with coverage against property damage and liability incidents. Their offerings are known for their flexibility, accommodation, various property types, and risk scenarios. And Thimble. They offer short-term rental insurance that caters to the evolving needs of hosts. Thimble's policies come with user-friendly terms and conditions, making it a suitable choice for hosts seeking straightforward coverage. So how do you know which insurance provider is right for you? When you're selecting a short-term rental insurance provider, you'll want to consider these key factors. Coverage limits. Ensure the policy covers property damage, liability, and lost income. Policy terms. Read the fine print to avoid unexpected exclusions. Reputation. Research the provider's reputation within the insurance industry, considering customer reviews and testimonials. Claims process. Familiarize yourself with the claims process, including how to file a claim and the provider's track record in settling claims promptly. Having the right short-term rental insurance is crucial for protecting your investment. Take the time to research your options and choose a policy that gives you peace of mind. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more information about running your short-term rental business, and I will see you in the next one.